TONEX versus Fractal FM3. Which guitar processor is better? Choosing the right guitar processor can completely change how you shape your tone without struggling with complicated setups. TONEX offers AI-driven modeling, while Fractal FM3 focuses on powerful, versatile hardware. TONEX and Fractal FM3 are both guitar processors but serve different needs. TONEX uses AI to model amps and effects in the cloud, while Fractal FM3 is a compact, all-in-one hardware unit with onboard processing. The core difference is cloud-based AI versus dedicated hardware. TONEX is an AI-powered guitar processor platform developed by IK Multimedia. It works by capturing your guitar signal and sending it to the cloud, where advanced AI models emulate a wide range of amplifiers and effects with remarkable accuracy. This cloud-based approach allows for continuous updates and access to an ever-growing library of tones. Its strengths include highly realistic amp modeling, ease of use through a simple interface, and the ability to experiment with tones without the need for physical gear. However, TONEX relies on a stable internet connection for processing, which can introduce latency or limit use in offline settings. It is ideal for guitarists who want cutting-edge AI tone shaping, quick access to diverse sounds, and seamless integration with digital setups, especially in home or studio environments. Fractal FM3 is a compact, high-performance guitar processor from Fractal Audio Systems. It features onboard DSP hardware that delivers ultra-precise amp modeling, effects, and routing without relying on external processing. The FM3 is praised for its rich, detailed tones that cater to professional players and tone purists alike. It offers extensive connectivity, including MIDI, USB, and multiple outputs, enabling flexible integration with rigs and recording setups. Its strengths lie in its real-time, low-latency performance, rugged build quality, and deep editing capabilities through Fractal's renowned Accedit software. Limitations include a steeper learning curve and higher upfront costs compared to software-based solutions. The FM3 suits guitarists who demand premium hardware tone shaping, need reliable live performance gear, or prefer hands-on control with minimal latency. Comparing TONEX and Fractal FM3 highlights key trade-offs. TONEX excels in flexibility and innovation by leveraging cloud-based AI, offering fresh tones without hardware upgrades, but depends on internet connectivity and may introduce latency. Fractal FM3 delivers consistent, low-latency performance with powerful onboard DSP, making it perfect for live use and studio work where reliability is critical. TONEX is ideal for players focused on experimentation and convenience, while FM3 suits those prioritizing hardware robustness and deep tone customization. In real-world use, TONEX shines for home recording or streaming, whereas FM3 stands out on stage and in professional studios. Choosing between them depends on whether you value cutting-edge eye access or dedicated hardware precision. TONEX is recommended for guitarists seeking innovative AI-driven tones and cloud convenience, especially suited for home recording and flexible, evolving sound libraries. Fractal FM3 is the top choice for players needing reliable, high-quality hardware processing with minimal latency and extensive control. For professional live performance and studio work, its robust design and deep editing make it a powerful tool to shape your ultimate guitar tone.